In the aftermath of every great British sporting disaster, there's inevitably a need for an understanding of what went wrong. Who are you?
I'm Beckham.
Oh, right. So what am I? So I'm like this.
Walk from over there.
Walking back.
Yeah, walk this way.
I walk towards you.
Yeah, walk this way, but backwards though. Backwards.
Backwards.
Around,
Oh, walk away.
Backwards towards me.
Right,
Closer, closer. That's it, and then make a big thing out of it. This is a country.
Yes, I know what you're going to say.
Oh, yes, what?
Harry Potter, the Beatles, David Beckham's right foot.
David Beckham's left foot. The Henley Regatta. Wensleydale cheese. Take that.
How are you feeling?
I'm not feeling good about football.
You want to talk about it?
No.
No. No, neither do I.